everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. This month, I'm using these succulent sticker sheets and the matching printable I designed for these setups. These designs were made using the graphics watercolor succulents clip art from Decorative from the artist 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘. I really like her watercolor succulent illustrations. The colors are so vibrant, so I used them to design this journal kit. This month, I will also use this productivity stencil and a sticker set for dotted journals. I bought this pack from Amazon. There are 22 stencil sheets and 10 sticker sheets in this set, including many different stencils and functional stickers. Now let's get started. Here I'm creating my first weekly spread for August. I'm designing this weekly as a 2-page spread. First, I'm dividing each page into 4 spaces using one of my new stencils. Then I'm using a micron 0.8 fine liner to draw these lines. Then I'm using a pastel yellow brush pen to draw some decorative lines on the top and the bottom of the pages. I'm cutting out one of the larger sized stickers from my succulent printable, then placing it on the center at the bottom of these 2 pages. Then I'm writing the dates for each day. I'm sticking these days of the week stickers from my gray monthly kit sticker sheet. That's all for this spread. Next is my second weekly spread setup. I'm using this weekly layout stencil to draw some marks. Using the pastel yellow marker to trace the shapes of the headers. Then using an ink pen to draw each of the boxes. I'm drawing 2 large boxes on the bottom of these 2 pages for the spaces for this week and the next week. Do you like using stickers in your own planners or journals? Please leave your thoughts down below. I'm so grateful for your comments on my videos. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. I really appreciate your support. Your feedback encourages me to create more videos, which can help others too. Then I'm using my printable succulent stickers to decorate the lower part. I'm using these days of the week stickers from my Soft Sunset monthly kit sticker sheet for each day. Adding some pastel yellow decorative lines on the bottom. Writing the dates with a gray marker. Finishing with 2 stickers this week and the next week. Next, I'm making my 3rd weekly spread. Since I already know I don't need too much space for these 2 weeks, as I don't have many events planned during them, I decided to make it a bi-weekly spread. I'm dividing each page into 8 sections. Using one of my Succulent Dreams printable stickers to decorate the top of the left page. I'm using my Succulent orange sticker sheet to stick the other two flowers onto the right page. I'm also cutting out the title word Succulent Dreams to decorate the top of this spread. Lastly, I'm drawing some pastel yellow lines to fill in the empty space between the dividing lines. I'm using the stickers from my gray-colored mini months and the days of the week stickers for each day. I'm using two different style days of the week stickers from this sticker sheet. Writing the dates with a gray marker. That's it for this page. Finally, it's my last weekly spread. I know I will need a lot of space this week, so I want to make a bigger box for each day. I'm drawing each box with an ink pen. Then using the pastel yellow brush pens to draw lines to decorate the pages. I'm arranging some succulent stickers to decorate the bottom of these two pages. I'm adding the days of the week stickers from the same gray-colored mini planner sticker sheet. Writing the dates. That's it, simple but effective. This is the final flip through for my August weekly spread designs. I hope you like this succulent theme setup. Please check out this succulent printable and the matching sticker sheets. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using these designs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!